Okay, we're going to be putting this outside outlet up here. We have to put a Romex connector on here.
You got the tape?
The tape is in my pocket.
There.
There's the sheetrock screws. Alrighty.
Look, that Romex connector is big.
Yeah, I'll fit 2 wires. Okay, first I'll untwist and get my wires flat. Okay.
Dave, hand me that board. Never mind. Over here. What's this plug over here on the floor?
Oh, that was the one I was going to take the screws out, but they were short. Okay, so we'll get our wires even and flat here. Tape them together here, get them nice and together here. So we put the Romex connector on, we don't pinch through our black and white wires.
Every one of these got cut short. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
There's that. Okay.
You know what I'm going to do, Dave?
What?
Give me that box. Give me that box. I'm going to cut a bigger hole in it. Then I can pump, what do you call it, foam in it.
Oh, no, don't do that, because this will be covered up. It will be sealed all around here.
I would like to put foam inside that hole afterwards.
Oh.
And I can drill a hole through here and just put the foam in there and do it that way. I don't like leaving a cavity like that.
But the whole thing will be covered behind the box.
Well, you better hope it is. Here.
I take this ring out here.
Is it going to fit?
Yep.
Would it have been easier to put the box, screw it on the box first?
No, because then it'll be harder to. Okay, I get the tape in the hole there. Just slide this out gently. That should go back in.
Is it going to go back in?
I'll have to force it some. I'll screw this onto our box like this. Okay, we'll push it back into our ball like this. Yep, it's going back in, so we can...
Is it going to go?
Yes, it will.
Hold on. Dave, that's not going to go back.
We'll force it.
I don't like to force it. Oh, Dave, that's not going to go back. That's not going to go back.
We'll try it. Because it's already siliconed and it caulked on the inside there.
All right. Put one right there.
Alrighty.
There's a big. I hope that will be all right.
Okay, so.
All right, give me the drill if you're all done with it.
Okay, well
So I can do my crap now.
Okay.
Because I got to remeasure all this over again because the things were too small.
Okay. So first we'll take our ground wire here. And we'll get our ground wires together. Our blacks here, our whites over here. And we'll get our ground wires together. Now, I'm not squeezing on this wire nut, I'm just turning it with the pliers. I'm making sure it grabs all three wires there. And bend it down and get it in the back of the box here. And we'll bring our ground wire over and we'll get
No power.
got it bound to our box. Putting the ground screw to bond it to the box. And it's a self-tapping screw, so it goes in hard.
Oh, use the gun.
Well, it's not a Phillips, it's a flathead. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now we'll get our black and whites tailed together here. I'm gonna straighten these out some here. I'm going to cut these shorter so when I fold them in, they will go in nice and easily. Okay, we'll get our insulation even at the bottom. Bring our tail in. The insulation even at the bottom here. We'll twist them so they're nice and even. I'll clip the ends so they're nice and even. And make sure the insulation goes into the bottom of the wire nut there. Get nice and tight. And we can fold this back into our box. And we'll do the same with our white wires here. Okay, again, we'll get our insulation even at the bottom here. And our third one in. Insulation even at the bottom here. And I'll make sure my insulation goes into the bottom of the wire nut there. Make sure we get it nice and tight. Okay, I'll get it all back in there nice and tight. We'll up and down with our black and white.
Oh, let's clean up this mess while you're doing that.
And zigzag across the bottom here. Okay. Now we can hook our hopper up.
Oh, this was a waste right here.
Okay, so we'll start with our ground wire. That'll go around our green screw. Those are the direction our screw turns. Make sure it's tight. We'll put our white wire around the silver screw.
We'll do the other one Tuesday.
Okay. Okay, make sure it's good and tight. Flip this around. We'll get our black over on the brass screw.
We're going to need this stuff.
Make sure it's tight. Now we can fold this in. And we're going to make sure our wires don't get pinched or pushed against any sharp edges. We don't want to push against any sharp edges here, so we'll fold this up. And we'll fold our white one up. And we'll fold our ground wire towards the bottom here. And I push this in. And make sure everything is all fitting without forcing everything. So now we're ready to put our screws in. And make sure they're not too long. Just use cut a little off of these here. And I'll just put them in part way here because the cover will go on here.
Let's see if this will cover this over here. Yeah, it will. Wow, just barely. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use our cover foam here. We're going to break it off, break out the rectangle here. We'll go in here like this.
Size.
And oh, this one we put the screw through the cover itself, so we got to take these out.
That screwdriver's got to be yours.
Yeah.
Dave, you're almost done.
Yeah.
Did you put the little cubby things in yet?
I'm going to do them last. You can turn it on now. This cover is for vertical mounting. You gotta make sure you have this foam in here because that keeps the snow and the rain from getting into the device. Now this is on a GFI circuit, so that is why we didn't put a GFI receptacle in. Okay. 1, 2. Now on the inside of the cover they have little inserts for different type of outlets and for a light switch, but this one we used the duplex receptacle. So now we can put our plugs in here. You got to make sure these are tight so that the snow doesn't get into them. Alrighty, so here in the country I was born in, we use 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps. In this case, the black is live and the white is neutral and the bare wire is the ground. Peace. Thanks for watching.
Done?
Yep.
Let's get those two pieces up.
Okay.